Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to share a simple yet effective tip with you all. Ever wondered how to stop someone from calling you on WhatsApp without actually blocking them? Yes, it's possible, and I'm here to show you how. So let's dive right in. First, grab your phone and open WhatsApp. We're going to do this in just a few easy steps. Step 1. Go to the chat of the person you want to stop receiving calls from. Once you're in the chat, tap on the name at the top to view the contact details. Step 2. Look for the custom notification option. It might be a little hidden, so make sure you scroll if you need to. Tap on it and make sure to enable custom notifications by checking the box. Now for calls, you can directly disable them, but what we can do is manage how we get alerted. Under the call notification settings, set the ringtone to none. This way, when they call, your phone won't ring, but you will still receive the call notification silently. Also, turn off the vibrate option to ensure that you receive absolutely no disturbance. And just like that, you won't be disturbed by calls from this specific contact, but can still keep in touch through messages. And there you have it. Simple, right? This method is perfect for when you don't want to block someone entirely but need a little peace from constant calls. Remember, communication is key, so if it's someone you need to talk to often, perhaps having a conversation about when it's a good time to call might also help. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tricks.